So now the battery's back.
So the battery's back, so what do we say?
Happy birthday
To Eric! And what does Eric say to all the people who gave him something?
Thank you.
Okay, to who do you say thank you?
Oma.
And?
Opa.
And?
Papa and Betty.
And?
Yana.
And?
Ben.
And what was this? What does this belong to?
Guitar.
And to whom do you say thank you for that?
Mommy
And?
Daddy.
And that? From?
Omi.
And?
Opie.
And who was this from?
Sandra and Robert.
And?
Sophie and Ben.
Okay.
So
And
say thank you to the camera.
Thank you.